Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem encountered when extracting tables from PDF files. The issue at hand involves refining the table extraction process to ensure accurate and complete data retrieval. By implementing customized settings and clever programming techniques, we can enhance the extraction performance and get the desired results efficiently. In the provided solution, we begin by setting up the necessary environment for processing PDF files. By configuring logging to display relevant information and specifying the path to the target PDF file, we establish a solid foundation for the extraction process. The key to improving table extraction lies in the customization of settings, specifically focusing on parameters like snap tolerance, intersection tolerance, and row separation. These adjustments play a crucial role in determining the layout and structure of the extracted tables, ultimately influencing the quality of the output data. Moving on to the implementation, the script leverages the PythPlumber library to open the PDF file and extract tables based on the defined settings. Through a systematic approach, the script locates the second occurrence of a specific keyword within the document, sets the extraction range to capture relevant information, and processes the extracted tables to create a comprehensive data frame. By combining and organizing the table data effectively, the script produces a refined output ready for further analysis or storage in a CSV file. In summary, by fine-tuning the table extraction settings and following a structured process, we have successfully overcome the initial problem and extracted valuable data from the PDF file. Remember, customization is key when it comes to optimizing extraction processes, so don't hesitate to tweak the settings to suit your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy coding!